Good evening, teacher, again.
Good evening again. I have to apologize because this is Zoom. So I think I have to
Okay.
share the screen. And we have to go back to our text. I want to ask Hiba if she can hear me about her favorite sandwich.
Yes,
Please, Hiba.
my and Philadelphia.
Again, Hiba.
My favorite sandwich,
Mm,
scallop and
mm.
Philadelphia.
Okay. What are the ingredients that we have in these two sandwiches?
Two,
What are the ingredients that we have in these two sandwiches؟ هي مكونة من شو؟
Philadelphia,
Mm.
chicken,
Mm-hmm.
mushroom,
Amazing.
corn,
Oh my God.
فليفلة ملونة شو نقول فليفلة
Pepper.
people okay
Mhm.
color
Pepper.
people no
The
كتير
green.
كتير فليفلة my favorite
Red pepper and the green pepper. Amazing. I loved it. Okay.
yellow
It's delicious.
Mm.
Raed, what is your favorite sandwich, Raed?
I prefer a sandwich with beef, caramelized onion and mushroom, and cheese.
Holy God. That's amazing. Okay, thank you so much.
Yes.
Nahil, what about your sandwich, Nahil? I don't know if Nahil is with us. Let me check her presence. She's here. Nahil, can you hear me? Maybe she cannot. Tagreed,
Yes, I'm here.
please, what about your favorite sandwich?
I prefer the roast sandwich, maybe with the lettuce and corn, and I love zinger, and I also prefer the hamburger. Yani, I love everything.
Yeah. Okay. By the way, yeah, food. Okay. Thank you so much, Tagreed. Someone is trying to join us. Nahil. Okay. So this is it, guys. This is about the history of sandwich and the ingredients that we have in most of sandwiches. Now we have to discuss something different. Now, guys, the vocabulary that we have, to be honest, we need them every day. So, vocabulary and things we need in our daily life. Here, guys, we have some pictures and we have the names of these pictures in this list. Maybe you want to shop, so this is the shopping list. And after that, we have to know the places that we can buy these things. First of all, the N is salt. It is aspirin. This is the aspirin. So it is
Medication.
exactly. But wait, let's just know the names of the things. And after that, we have to know and learn the places that we can buy. Chocolate. What is the number of a chocolate?
B
It is B. Thank you. So please write B here. Now, notebook.
C.
It is
C.
C. Amazing. Scissors.
K.
It is
K.
K. So K is scissors. Adapter.
L.
It is
L.
L. Thank you. So L is the adapter. Okay, I cannot write because maybe I want to go up and down. And after that, we have envelopes. Where
F.
are
F.
it is F. So this is it exactly. Envelopes. After that, we have plasters.
G.
G.
Plasters is G. Where is G? Are you sure?
Next to C.
J.
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 It is J, not G. Guys, this is
Okay.
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 After that, we have sellotape.
E.
It is
E.
E. This is it. This is called sellotape. To absolutely just to catch some peppers and tiny things. Toothpaste.
M.
M.
It is M.
M.
Thank you. So this is a
M.
toothpaste. Okay. After that, we have shampoo.
I.
It is
I.
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 Thank you. Batteries.
D.
It is D. Thank you. Screwdriver.
A.
It is A.
A.
Thank you. Magazine.
G.
G. Thank you. Final newspaper.
H.
It is H. So exactly. So these are the things that approximately we need every day, especially the chocolate. Okay. Now, guys, we have to know the places that we can buy. Maybe you want to buy these things. We have news agents. Guys, news agent means بائع الصحف. Hardware shop is ما بعرف إذا بتزبط نقول خردوات أو equipments معدات. It is called hardware shop. Chemists نحن بمجتمعنا بنقول صيدلية. And what? Stationers. Do you know the meaning of stationer?
محل الكرطاسية.
برافو. طبعا جايز نحن بنسميها مكتبة، وأكيد بالمجتمع الغربي المكتبة هي اللايبراري، والمكتبة هو المكان لقراءة واستعارة الكتب، بينما stationer is a place where we can buy some papers, some pens, or something like that. Okay? Okay. So if you want to take a look at this picture here, we have bakery. Do you know the meaning of bakery?
المخبز.
Yes, exactly. This is stationers. أكيد stationers هي محل لبيع القرطاسية. News agent. Exactly. So we notice that news agent, we can see the magazines and newspapers outside. So this is news agents. Here we have Bell's Hardware. And the hardware place is to buy some tools and equipments. Finally, this is the chemist. Okay, so this is it. If you notice, guys, that most of the places, we notice the apostrophe S. This apostrophe S to show the place that you want to go. أحيانا, guys, يمكن بسأل طلاب, where are you going? فبيجاوبون الطلاب, I'm going to the doctor's. فبيكتبوا doctor like this, apostrophe S. This is to mention the place. لما يقولوا doctors بيعنوا doctor's clinic، يعني عيادة الطبيب. So sometimes some places, if you want to add the apostrophe S, it means a place you can go. Okay, now let's go back to the things that we need every day, and you have to tell me the place that we can buy from. Chocolate. I think it's
Bakery.
bakery, exactly.
Bakery.
Yes. What about screwdriver?
Hardware shop.
Yes, amazing. What about notebook?
Station.
Stationers, yes. Batteries.
Hardware.
Hardware shop, thank you. Sellotape.
Hardware shop.
Stationers.
What?
Stationers.
Hardware.
Stationers. Please, this is not electronic
فيها تكون
tape.
بالاثنين.
Huh?
فيها تكون بالاثنين.
على كل حال جايز نحن بنسميه، ما بعرف شو بنسميه، بس جايز التيب اللي بخص الكهرباء this is electronic tape أكيد from hardware shop, but this for papers and things, so I can buy it from stationers.
Stationers.
Exactly. Envelopes.
Okay.
Stationers.
Stationers.
Stationers. Magazine.
News
agents.
News agents. Newspaper.
News
News
agents.
Agents. Amazing. Now, what about pasters, plasters?
Plasters. Chemist.
Chemist, exactly. So the plasters, I can buy them from the chemist. What about the
Yes.
shampoo?
And also the
Yeah, for exactly, chemist. What about scissors?
Stationers.
or chemist.
Yes. Or what?
Or chemist.
Chemist? Are you sure?
Yes. لأنه في scissors اللي بيكونوا للقطب وهيك.
Okay, yeah. I think in some places it is different, but it is okay. What about adapters?
Hardware
hardware,
Hardware shop. Aspirin.
chemist,
Chemist. Toothpaste.
chemist.
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 Again. Thank you. So these are the places that I can go to buy these things. Okay. So we're still talking about everyday English, and it is about shopping in the high street. So we have an exercise here, guys. We have to listen to this recording, and we have to fill the words in the blanks. So the recording is 8.11. So let me play the recording. Let's listen, because guys, here we have too many sort of نفس معنى kind of نوع من all enough. Okay, so let's listen 8.11 and let's fill the blanks. So I think this is 11.
Tape script 8.11.
Amazing. Okay, so let's listen carefully.
Shopping in the high street. 1.
I'd like some batteries, please.
What sort do you want?
AA, please.
Would you like a packet of 4 or 6?
6 is too many. 4 is enough.
Anything else?
That's all, thanks.
So
So many.
Too many.
exactly.
Enough.
Enough.
6 is too many. 4 is enough.
Enough.
That's
all.
That
All.
is all. So guys, let me remind you, because 6 is countable, I have to say too many. If the noun is uncountable, I have to use what?
Too much.
Too much. Thank you, too much. So please don't forget that. Okay, now let's
Teacher,
complete.
enough.
Huh? Enough?
Enough. Yes.
Enough. كافٍ.
يعني
آه.
بكفي إنه كافيين.
أحيانا جايز بكون أنا بالسكول فالطلاب عم بيحكوا كتير فشو بقول أنا that's enough يعني بكفي حكي okay guys
Okay.
that's enough okay it is enough for me now two
Teacher, enough ولا enough?
enough we have F at the end enough
Okay.
let me wait if you have a problem in pronouncing this word I think I have to write it for you and you have to listen to the pronunciation of this word because absolutely this word is extremely important. Maybe you want to use in your everyday English. So please guys listen
Enough.
again.
Enough.
Okay?
Okay.
Oh, so that's enough. Now two.
Two.
Can I have some toothpaste, please? Small or large? Well, the large is too big. The small is fine. Anything else? No, thanks. How much is that?
So
Large.
Large.
big.
Too big.
Exactly. Exactly. So too big, too small, too big, too much, too many. Anything else? No, thank you. So this is
Teacher, شو يعني else?
else. Anything else? Anything
Yes.
else? يعني أي شيء آخر؟ يا ترى بدك شيء بعد؟
Okay.
Something else شيء ما آخر. Anything else أي شيء آخر. Someone else
Thank-
شخص ما آخر. مثلا يمكن أنا بحاجة مساعدة وفي عندي شخصين. يمكن أول حدا يخبرني إنه قادر أنا أساعدك. Maybe I want to say I don't need you to help me. Is there something else to help me? هل يوجد هناك أي شخص آخر لمساعدتي? So this is the meaning of
Okay.
this.
Okay, thank you.
Now conversation 3.
3.
I'm looking for a nice pen.
What about this one? It's £25.
No, that's too much. I don't want to spend that much.
Well, this one is £12.
That's better. And I need some pencils as well.
There are 10 pencils in this packet.
But I only want 2.
I'm afraid I only have packets of 10. Sorry.
So
Too
Much.
That's better.
Only.
that's better. But I only want
Only.
2. Exactly. Okay. Guys, the question is, where is this place?
بالمكتب
Uh-huh.
stationary.
Stationers, amazing. Conversation 2. Where is this place?
And
Chemist. Amazing. It is chemist. Exactly. It is chemist. Toothpaste. Now, conversation number 1. Where is this place?
hardware shop.
Hardware shop. Exactly. So, these are the things that I may need in my daily life. Okay. So, let's now discuss the next exercise. Similar conversations. Okay. Now, guys, exercise number 4. And again, if you want to buy things from any place, you have to ask for that thing in a polite way. Now, let's listen to this conversation or these sentences, and we have to check which one is more polite than the other one. So, it is 8.12. Let me play this recording. And let's listen.
Tape script 8.12.
Amazing. Okay, so let's listen carefully.
I'd like a coffee, please.
I would like a coffee, please. Is that polite?
Yes, it's polite.
Yes, polite.
Okay, amazing. Okay, let's listen to the second one.
I want a latte.
Finally.
Give me some cake with that.
So, impolite. And the final one is, give me some cake with that.
Impolite.
Impolite.
Right, exactly. So the first one is polite, the second and the third one are impolite. Now the next one.
Can I have a sandwich?
This is one.
Impolite.
Cup of tea.
Finally.
Impolite.
You bring me a sandwich.
Impolite.
Exactly. So the first one is polite. The second one is impolite. The final one is polite.
Yes.
So guys, you notice that if you want to ask about things, you can use can and could. Or maybe you can use I would like. So using would like, can I have something? Could you please bring me something? These things, if you want to use, you will be polite person. So try to use them if you want to buy things from the chemist, stationers, hardware tools, or shop, or something like that. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. So, guys, I think we have to stop here because I have a second class at 8. So, if you have any questions, you can ask me.
Thank you.
So,
Thank you.
thank you so much, guys. And I have to wish a good night for you. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Teacher, thank you so much.